Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in fitness tech. Today, we're putting the Theragun to the test. It's been making waves in the fitness community, but is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. The Theragun is a percussive massage gun designed to help relieve muscle tension and accelerate recovery. Now, I've been using the Theragun Live and the Theragun G3 for a while, and here are my thoughts. First off, what's great about the Theragun? It delivers on its promise. Whether you're dealing with post-workout soreness or just looking to improve flexibility, this device does the job. I've noticed quicker recovery times and improved range of motion, especially in my upper back and shoulders. One surprising benefit I found is its impact on sleep quality. After using the Theragun on particularly tough days, I've experienced better sleep, with fewer interruptions. It seems to help relax my muscles and calm my nervous system before bedtime. Design-wise, the Theragun is sleek and ergonomic. Its triangular shape and adjustable head make it easy to target hard-to-reach areas, like the upper back, without needing assistance. However, it's not all perfect. What's not so great about the Theragun? It's quite pricey compared to other massage guns on the market, and I've found it lacks softer settings for more sensitive days. Plus, it can be pretty loud, which might not be ideal if you live in an apartment or prefer a quieter massage experience. Speaking of price, is the upgrade to the G3 or G3 Pro worth it? Honestly, I don't think so. The basic model, like the Live, offers almost everything you need. The higher-end models add a few extra features and longer battery life, but for most users, the Live will suffice without breaking the bank. So, who needs a Theragun? While it's not essential, athletes and active individuals will definitely appreciate its benefits. Whether you're into CrossFit, running marathons, or just hitting the gym regularly, the Theragun can be a valuable addition to your recovery routine. In conclusion, I do love the Theragun for its effectiveness and design. However, if you're looking for alternatives that offer similar benefits at a lower cost, there are definitely options out there. Brands like provide competitive features without the premium price tag. That wraps up our review of the Theragun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.